see what's in my backpack. So this is the first video on my YouTube channel Rosie Ramson of what's in my backpack. So the first one is sunglasses. So this is the box and I use it whenever I go out. And the second one is this mini cute backpack. In this, I keep my lip care essentials. The first one is my lipstick, then Vaseline, this is Himalayas lip balm. Now, this is a lip liner. And this is Biotic's Fruit Brightening Lip Balm. So the third thing in my backpack is my wallet, my purse, and this is the most favorite one. And in this I keep all my important cards like my college ID, Aadhaar card, voter ID card, PAN card, everything which are important I keep in this. And these are cute mini magnets, and this is the mini mirror. And in this zipper pocket I keep a magic handband which I got from when I attended the first Law of Attraction event. So I got this one from event. Now the fourth thing in my backpack is this cutest mini backpack. This is the most cutest backpack I have ever made, and in this I keep my cute keychains I really like. So next thing is this cute mini bag. So look at the size of this mini bag. It can fit in my hand, and I keep cash and few coins in this bag. So next is this black pouch. It contains so many things which I need whenever I go out. First is this hand sanitizer. Second is this black claw clip. Third is facial tissues and paper soap. Engage perfume. And this transparent mini pouch contains rubber bands, safety pins, claw clip, etc. to tie my hair. Now, this is the most important pouch I think because it contains sanitary pads. This is the water bottle. Now, this is a book by the name of The Secret, and it's written by Rhonda Byrne, and it is based on Law of Attraction. If you have seen it on YouTube, this book is everywhere. This is the best book to learn about Law of Attraction. So this is my diary in which I write few important things. And last, this mini portly bag. In this I keep pens and my AirPods. Now my bag is empty. So these all are the things I keep inside my backpack.